All right, let's get cooking.
I told that boy not to bring those girls around here. Look at the dang mess he stirred up.
All right, y'all. Front gates are going to be locked here shortly. Front gates are locked up.
Smack that Johnny upside his doggone head. This is all his doing.
I'm going to go to the back, lock those up. Well, at least one of them. Alright guys, fuse box is inside the house. I'm about to wake up Grandpa.
Tastes good, don't it?
They're going out through the ladder. I'm on Sunny, I'm on Sunny. He's going to the bar. Connie's over here at the lot. Guys, there you are. Okay. You get Connie, I'll get Sunny. He's going back down the ladder. I'm on Sunny. Y'all watch that. Y'all watch that door. I'm gonna go check my locks. Julie's over here. Y'all really doing Grandpa like that, bro? He's old. Leave that old man alone.
Damn kids. Where'd they go?
Oh, there they are. Guys, watch it. They're in the back. They're in the back. I'm going. They're in the back, guys. Good job, good job. Front gates are still locked. Julie's over here on me. She's going back down. No, she's not.
Wait, what's coming to you now?
Bitch.
You're moving.
Y'all go that way. I'm gonna go check this back. Alright, that's good. Gotta watch the fuse. This one's open, they're in the back. They're in the back. Yeah, you got them, Hitch.
See when you make it.
Are we still, as far as the battery goes, are we still good? Yeah, we're still good. Alright. If y'all are up front, check those locks for me, would you? I'll leave this with you, Hitch. I'm gonna go back up front. Might want to throw... Oh, you know what? I'm gonna move one of my padlocks over here. Shit, they got this one open too? Damn it. I did not know that. Wait, how did they get this one? You opened it? Okay. Don't forget to relock that.
Here you go, Grandpa. Here you go.
Fuse is still locked. Or closed, I mean. They're going to the back, or they're going to the back. I see them. He's going to the well. I'm going to go check the battery again. Checking on the battery.
What the heck is everybody doing? We should have found him by now.
This is a good question, Cook. Alright, battery's still good, door's still locked. Ah, okay, you trapped it, good job. That being the case, I'm gonna go check my locks. I'm gonna go check the, go check the fuse real quick. Fuse is good.
I'm too dang old and worn out for this nonsense. Why is this on me to fix?
Hello. gonna go to the back. Hitch, you wanna go to the back? I'll go to the back. Watch the gates, Leatherface. Watch the back, watch the back.
Can't on no one around here. Better get to it. I can't think straight with all this craziness going on.
We're all in the house, that's not good. He's right here, he's right here, he's going to the well. Hey, Connie's out front! Connie's out front! Connie's at the gate! She was working on it, guys. I saw her. Damn. These motherfuckers are tough, huh? Hey, right here, right here. She's going to the ladder.
You should have stayed where you was.
Thank you, Hitch. Hey, go check that back gate. I got these fronts. Good job, good job. Bonk. You just got bonked, Julie.
This is kind of like the old days. I still got it.
You do still got it, Cook. Good job. Alright, both my locks are still in good shape over here. I'm coming. I'm a long way off and I'm the cook, but I'm coming. How many of them are back there? Oh, okay. Alright. No worries, no worries. Front locks are still good. I'm gonna go feed Grandpa, guys. I got a full load for him. That's what she said. That sounded weird. Got a full load for Grandpa over here. Yeah. That's awful, guys. I'm sorry. It's even worse when you realize I'm playing as the cook.
Take this now. It'll perk you right up.
I think Leatherface may have DQ'd. No, he's still here. He's standing in the house. Leatherface, you helping us, bro? What's going on? I think Leatherface may have... He was a level 0, so I think he's just a noob. He may have checked out on us. Alright, this one's still locked. One of them's downstairs. Marked them. Oh, they're dead. Looks like they're dead. They're not moving. That's weird. How could I mark them if they were... That's weird. Whatever. I guess we'll just rotate on the gates, man. I'm gonna go check the back. This one's... Man, they've been attacking this gate. Did you reset that trap that was at the battery? Okay. Because that seems to be where they're headed. Nowhere to hide. Hell yeah. Yeah, your trap's still good back here. I see. I'm right here. He's fucked. Is he still up or is he still... Oh, there he is. You got him? You got him? Oh, okay. I see him. Alright, I'm gonna go check that front gate. Just to make sure Connie don't sneak out on us. Alright, looks like... Yeah, both my locks are still good. Okay, cool. It's basically... sort of a 4-on-2 situation. The fuse box is still good. There's Sonny. I haven't even seen Leland all match. That's weird. Usually he's the one stabbing Grandpa and shoulder checking mugs. Oh, we already killed Connie? Yeah, nice. Hell yeah. That's who you want to get killed, baby.
Focus. Need to clear my head.
Sonny's the main one we need to worry about right now. Where the hell? Says they got nowhere to hide, but I don't see anything. Alright. You got Sonny? Nice. Alright. Yeah, I see him.
Everybody shut the heck up. I can't hear nothing with all this.
I'm gonna go downstairs. He's downstairs, yeah. I think I am too. I think he's coming up this ladder. I mean, this stairwell. Yeah. Haha, he shoulder checked me. He's by Grandpa. He's by Grandpa. Good job, GG's. Hey, thanks for the help, Leatherface. I think he was just a new guy. I don't know what happened to him though. Usually they DC if they don't. I know, it's so weird. Ooh, Scout just maxed out for me. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I thought he did, but it wasn't showing it. All right, GG's.